Hello, good evening. This is Sheikh Chan, pursuing Bachelor of Engineering, specialized in mechanical from ISL Engineering College. I am here to discuss my final year project, which is done by me, Sheikh Chan, as well as my two friends, Sheikh Zishan Ahmad and Mohammad Ghaus. Our project is experimental study of wave properties on aluminum silicon alloy, where we are finding out the properties of aluminum silicon alloy. Here, the contents are abstract, introduction, procedure, advantages, disadvantages, application. Here the abstract. Present there are many properties of aluminum silicon alloy which contain lightweight, less coefficient of thermal expansion, which is suitable for many industries and acceptable in automobile industries, as it is useful in cost saving. Also, alloy play an important role. Here we are studying the behavior of aluminum silicon alloy. First, here we are taking aluminum of 86% of weight with silicon of 14% of weight. Next, aluminum of 82% of weight with silicon of 18% of weight. Also, again, we are taking aluminum of 78% of weight with silicon of 22% of weight. Weight standardized by casting method. The behavior of aluminum silicon alloy is studied by using pin on disc weight testing machine. Now, let us begin with introduction. Aluminum alloy are distinguished according to their major alloying element. Silicon is the main alloying element. The alloy, by decreasing its viscosity, gives good casting properties. It also reduces melting temperature of the alloy and also decreases the shrinkages during the solidification. It is very inexpensive for raw material. Hence, silicon has low density, which can be a advantage by reducing components' total weightage. Silicon has very low solubility in aluminum. Therefore it is a pure silicon. Hence, Aluminium. Aluminium is a chemical element which contains atomic number 13. It is a silver, white, soft, non-magnetic and ductile material. The cost of the aluminium is cheap. Aluminium material is high reactive material. Silicon. Silicon is a chemical element which atomic number is 14. It is relatively unreactive material. The silicon material is hard. The silicon symbol is Si. Depending on silicon weightage percentage, the aluminum silicon alloy system can be divided into three major categories. First, hypoeutectic, eutectic, hypereutectic. Uses of aluminum silicon alloy. Aluminum silicon alloy are used in manufacturing of vehicle cover, powertrain and air conditioning. Aluminum silicon alloy is also used for production of piston used in automotive engines. It is used in automobile industries for making steering components, etc. Now let us begin with procedure. Till now successfully we have completed 3 steps in procedure. First of all casting, then dimensioning. At last we have completed polishing. By casting process we have made 3 pieces which contain 30 mm length and 30 mm height, which can be seen in the figure. Dimensioning. 3 rectangular pieces were cut from different blocks using the lathe machine. The dimension of the cut sample were 10 mm length and 30 mm height, which are now ready for polishing. Polishing. One of the sample was polished on one side to reveal the microstructure. Emery paper is used for mechanical polishing. which was done by using sequence-wise number of the Emery papers. After obtaining a macro finishing polishing of the sample was used. Acceptable advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Compressive strength is high, wear resistance is good, good electric conductivity, less weight, the ductile increases. Disadvantages. High temperature, the resistance declines, machinability is poor, impact resistance is low. Now, last and final, applications. Manufacturing of vehicle cover, powertrain and air conditioning. Also for building and construction of highways, aircrafting, transportation applications, and many more. With this, I will end my topic. I would like to thank everyone for your precious time. Once again, thank you.